more than a century, modern physics has worshipped a single unbreakable rule: the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers per second. A number so vast it defies imagination, yet so sacred that everything we know about space, time, and causality depends on it. Einstein said it clearly: nothing can travel faster than light in a void. Not matter, not energy, not even information itself. Break this limit, and the universe, as we understand it, collapses. But what if, somewhere, hidden deep within the equations of the quantum world, there's a crack in that wall? A loophole so small it almost doesn't exist, yet powerful enough to change everything. In the early 1990s, two theoretical physicists proposed something that shook the entire world. Under very specific conditions, light might travel faster than light itself. Sounds impossible? Here's the idea. A beam of light travels perpendicularly between two metal plates placed in a perfect void. Its speed could become slightly higher than the universal limit. To understand this, we must enter one of the strangest realms of modern science: the quantum void. Despite its name, the void isn't empty. It's alive, sitting with invisible fluctuations. Tiny pairs of particles and antiparticles pop in and out of existence every fraction of a second. A restless ocean of creation and annihilation. Now imagine placing two metal plates inside this void. Their presence changes the density of these quantum fluctuations. The void itself is no longer uniform. And when light moves through this distorted space, its photons might, theoretically, move just a tiny bit faster. How much faster? An unimaginably small difference, far beyond the reach of any experiment today. But this microscopic anomaly opens a cosmic question. Is the speed of light truly a universal limit, or just a shadow of a deeper truth we haven't seen yet? This doesn't necessarily disprove Einstein. In fact, it may refine him. Einstein said nothing can exceed the speed of light in a void. But what if that void isn't as empty as we thought? What if space itself has texture, a quantum fabric that can stretch, ripple, and twist, altering the way light moves through it? This idea connects to profound theories like the Casimir effect, void energy fluctuations, and even string theory, which suggests that our universe is made of vibrating strings existing in multiple unseen dimensions. Some researchers even speculate that surpassing the speed of light wouldn't mean breaking physics, but changing layers of reality itself. A transition to another dimensional state where the laws we know no longer apply. For now, it's only theory. No one has ever measured a photon outrunning the speed of light, but the idea refuses to die. It lingers in the collective mind of science, a whisper that maybe, just maybe, our understanding of reality is incomplete. Because every physical limit humanity has ever faced was once just a temporary misunderstanding. There was a time we thought the sound barrier was unbreakable, that the atom was indivisible, and yet we broke them all. Perhaps one day we'll find that the true barrier isn't the speed of light, but the limits of our imagination. Maybe the universe isn't hiding its secrets. Maybe it's daring us to look deeper. And maybe the real speed of light isn't how fast photons move, but how quickly human curiosity can chase the unknown. Now tell me, do you believe the speed of light is an absolute limit, or just a boundary we'll someday cross? This is all for today. If you want to see more interesting videos, check the final screen and the links in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.